getting ready for the day. We're heading out to Alexandra Falls. It's about a 3-hour hike up a creek. Nothing crazy, but pretty epic waterfall. Got the gear ready, all the camera gear. And boss, stay tuned. Down in the creek, just started the hike, we're heading up, getting to this waterfall. Let's go. So we're about 2 k's in. The first part of it was just walking through the creeks. Small rock. Now I've just hit the section where all the rocks are starting to get bigger, so I think we're starting to get into the mountain more. Boom. A couple more k's up, we're at this waterfall. Let's go. Not that far, I think we can see it through the bushes up there. Boom, I don't know if you can see it. Straight up through that gap. It's looking like it's the waterfall. Seems like we're getting closer. Boss, so keen. Let's get it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Nessie's first hike, proper hike, just getting it done. About 3 k's in, and look, pretty sure that's it. We've made it. We're scaling up the side. Boss, let's get to the base of that falls there. We made it to the falls. Woo! Let's go. About 3.5 k's or yeah, around that, up the creek, all the way to this beautiful waterfall out in the Daintree Rainforest. World's oldest rainforest. What an epic hike. Little adventure for Nessie. Testing out the new hiking boots. Woo! Woo! Let's go. Oh, getting them shots. Back to the end of the hike. About just hitting 7 k's now. Epic. That's the waterfalls and stuff. Oh, it's still clear, blue waters. How good.